How to change privacy settings on Twitter. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can actually change your privacy settings on Twitter. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. First of all, what we want to do is simply make sure we have actually downloaded and updated the Twitter app to the latest version. If you haven't done so, you can head over to your app store. In the search box you can type in Twitter and then go ahead and simply download or either update the Twitter app to the latest version. If there is an update available, go ahead and simply tap on the update button. After you actually update Twitter, I'm going to simply open Twitter on my phone, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you are also logged into your account. And after you are logged in, you can see this is basically how the home interface of the app is going to look like. Now what you want to do is from the top left hand side of the screen, you'll be able to see your profile picture. Tap on your profile picture and you'll have these options. At the bottom of the screen you will find an option which says settings and privacy, so go ahead and simply tap on settings and privacy option. As we tap on settings and privacy, here you have been given multiple options. Right here halfway down the bottom you'll find another option which says privacy and safety, and manage what information you see and share on Twitter. So you can go ahead and simply tap on privacy and safety, and you have actually multiple privacy options such as the audience and tagging, whether you want to protect your tweets or whether you want to allow or disallow the tagging on your Twitter profile. The next thing is you can come back and then you can also tap on your tweets and then select the privacy for that. You can mark media to your tweet as containing material that may be sensitive. You can also come back and then tap on content. You see what kind of content you actually want to see, whether you want to actually see the sensitive content or not. You can also come back. Then here you can see mute and block many of the account settings if you actually want to customize them. Then you can also have the direct messages option, and then you can come back and tap on spaces and then again come back and then tap on discoverability and contacts. You have many options as such, and you can also scroll down to the bottom and select any other privacy options which you want to actually customize on your Twitter account. This was the way on how you could very easily change your privacy settings on Twitter. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.